that stringy, 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 trick me. Cause baby girl, you are so easy with me. The only reason that I can do tonight is cause I'm...
Hello everyone, welcome back to Julie Jules World. I am so excited because this is one of my favorite times of the year and I get to bring you some of my favorite projects that I like to work on. I'm going to bring you a Christmas home decor. Let's go ahead and get into the tutorial. I'm just going to tell you what you need. You will be needing Dollar Tree picture frame, and you're going to need 4 of these, craft sticks, white paint, some decor. Anything else we'll add to the tutorial. First things first, we are going to be taking our frames, and what you're going to do is remove the back piece off of there. Once you finish taking those out, we are going to take our glass and we are going to be putting some paint on this. Needing some paint and then some baking soda. I'm going to be adding my paint and I add baking soda to it to thicken it up a little bit. And you mix that all up in there. Let me switch this out and put it in here. And you want it to be like that, like a nice thickness. You're just gonna, and this is a Dollar Tree brush as well. You can get all this stuff from Dollar Tree so far. All we're gonna do is just tap the corners, which is very easy, y'all. Just trying to make like a, you know how the mirrors in wintertime gets and it fogs up with ice. So basically that's what I'm trying to get. Once you finish with that, you can do it for all 4 of the frames. Okay, how they're supposed to look right here. I did add some more paint here and I kind of had it outside of the frame just to make it look like it's fake snow. So I put it more in the cracks of the corner, if you can see that, just to make it look like winter. I try to do every one of them a little different, not all looking the same, just kind of change it up a little bit. We're gonna take our glass frame and we're gonna put some glue on the 4 corners. Let's just go ahead and put this aside. We're gonna be putting a roof on top of this little mini Christmas decor house. So you're gonna need a cardboard. The size here that I cut out is going to be a 6.5 inch by 8.5 inch. We are going to be cutting down the center. I'm going to cut all the way through. Okay, and then we bend that. All right. We want to be able to make a roof. We are going to be painting this. I'm going to distress this. I'm going to make it look kind of old. If you want to do this, you don't have to do this. It's not necessary at all. This is just extra stuff. It's gonna distress it a little bit. Just pull some of it off, just to make it look like kind of old and rugged. And some of them I don't pull all the way off. I just kind of leave it like that. And this is how it looks so far. Let's go ahead and paint this. I'm gonna paint the inside. I'm gonna be painting outside of this. And so we're gonna get our baking soda and the paint that we put together. We're going to be painting these. Cover the whole thing, and once you finish with the whole side, this is how it's gonna look, y'all. Once it's dry, this is how it looks. It looks really, it's very hard and it forms really good. Let's go ahead and put that aside. We're gonna be putting that on later. I'm gonna glue them together.
Ho, ho, ho! Merry Christmas!
once we finish gluing everything, so the next step that we're gonna do is we're gonna get another piece of cardboard, and we're gonna be putting this at the bottom, right in the inside of it. Sit like that. Adhesive liner, it's all white, and I just went over it instead of, or you can paint it. If you don't have this, you can paint the inside of the cardboard. Gluing that in place and then putting that in the center of our house. So let's go ahead and do that next. What I'm gonna do is just glue all 4 corners, and then I'm just gonna lay this on top of here. Next step is, you know what I forgot to mention, guys? This is where the craft sticks comes in. You can add it to the roof. It's optional, because I mean, if you want to cover these corners, that's what I did with this, and I forgot to mention it. That's the popsicle sticks I put on there. So what I did, 2 of them, one for right here and then one for right there, and 2 for the back as well. This is the unfinished roof that I did, and then we fold it like that, and then we just put wooden sticks right there, and then you just cut it to the length. Use the sticks, or you can use cardboard to cover this, because this is what I did, cardboard at the side. Those strips of cardboard, and I put it at the side here, and then I paint over it like that. And you can do the same thing for the front if you want to go that route. You can leave it just like this and just paint the front. You don't have to be that fancy. That's how we achieve that right there. Go ahead and decorate this inside of it before we put a roof on. I'm gonna put Dollar Tree Christmas tree. I'm gonna probably put this snowman in there as well. Whatever you want to do, you can add fairy lights inside of here if you want. I also created this beautiful little tiny porch that I'm going to be placing at the side here, like that. I just cut out a cardboard. Cardboard size for the porch is 2 inch by 5 inch. If you want to add this to it, you don't have to. This is not part of the tutorial. That's something I came up with. And then I just get some smaller sticks that you can purchase from the dollar store, and I cut this out. This is about 2.5 inch. I cut about 13 strips. 13 pieces are on here, and I cut that out and just pretend like this is the porch right here. And I cover that up. I covered it with linen. You can also paint it. You don't have to use an adhesive liner. I put it like this. I'm just showing you examples so you can see what I did, and I leave some space in between, and I lay it like that, and then I fold all the way across and then inside, and then I put one of these thin sticks I put at the back of here. I place one back here and then one at the side here, and that's about 1/4 of an inch down. I just place it there, and then that's how I got that look. So I'm gonna go ahead and decorate it, and then I'll show you the result. I think it looks beautiful. I add this little accessories there to it, and I literally put some poly plush on some parts of the house to make it look like really thick snow. Turned out to be awesome. I am so happy with this project. I can love it because you can see the little snowman right there, and the couch, and then of course the Christmas tree lit up. You can use fairy lights for this too. You can go crazy with it. You can add more decoration on the outside porch, maybe like a trash bin, or I don't know, something hanging on the fence. Just be creative with it. I think it looks beautiful. I love it. Beautiful. So I'm going to turn this around so you can see the back as well. Oh, so pretty. I love it. Super super cute, y'all. I probably don't even need the roof. I didn't glue mine on just yet. I don't even think I will, because you can easily take this off. Look at that. If you don't want the roof, you can take it off and just have it just like that, without the roof. Go on there. Either way, I think it looks beautiful. So gorgeous, so pretty. And then you can add your roof on there. Beautiful. Love it, y'all. Thank you all so much for watching. Happy holidays to you all. Don't forget the thumbs up, the subscribe. Any questions, please comment below and let me know, and you will definitely see me in my next video. Happy holidays, my YouTubers.